Yes, my good fans out there, good day, you're welcome. I remain Dr. D.I. June, your regular lecturer on chemistry, social media, but as it stands now, I lecture on biology. Though not every aspect of biology, but some important and fundamental subject matter on biology. And we have been talking about genetics, hereditary, and variation. Our last lecture was on variation. What is variation? And we said it is the morphological and physiological differences which occur within a species, which could be hereditary or inheritance or acquired from parents or from the environment. But what we want to discuss today is the cell. The cell. Now, the cell is the basic unit of the body of plants and animals. Of course, it is the life wire of any living organism. Life wire in the sense that there is an important structure called nucleus in a cell. And if there's no such a nucleus, then that cell is not said to be a cell. So a cell per se is the basic unit of the body. And the study of heredity is centered on the nucleus of a living cell. I mean, the study of heredity means how characters are transferred from parents to offspring lies solely on the study of the functions of the nucleus in the cell. So within the nucleus of the cell, there are materials that control heredity of the individual. You see? Within the nucleus of the cell, there are materials which are responsible in the transfer of characters from parents to offspring. We should therefore note and remember that only chromosome is involved in heredity, which is what? Determined during the process of what? Meiosis, during gametogenesis. So it has been discovered or found out that what is responsible, the material responsible or the substance responsible for the transfer of this character, making children to resemble their parents, lies with the function of the chromosomes. And the chromosomes are found in this structure called the nucleus. And the nucleus is found in the cell. That makes the cell to become what? A basic unit of the body of living organisms. So, it is through these chromosomes that heredity becomes so glaring and observed. And this process is observed during meiosis, right? Meiosis, which the division of nucleus take place, and the formation of gametes also take place. So, what is meiosis? Meiosis, let me write it on the board. Meiosis. 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 So, meiosis is a process, or it is simply the division of a cell into two stages, which results in 4 cells, each with what? Half the number of chromosomes of the original cell. For example, now, this is one cell. Meiosis is now telling us that if this cell divides into 2, now with each side divided into 2 again, making equal halves of the original cell itself. That is meiosis. So, then the word gametogenesis is a process by which these gametes are the sex cells. Not all the cells in the body are responsible for reproduction, some are for digestion, some are for circulation. See, there are different functions. So the cells that are responsible for sex, which is intercourse, resulting to the formation of offspring, they are called gametes or sex cells. So gametogenesis is the process by which sex cells are produced, right? Produced in living organisms. So it now involves the development of specialized cells that will what? Fuse during fertilization to form what? A zygote. Zygote. A zygote is the product of the union of the sperm and the egg of the woman. So, and that develops what the embryo. So the first cell of a new individual, the zygote, is the first cell of the individual. When a man and woman who are married have sexual intercourse, and when the woman conceives, it means fertilization has taken place. That was the fusion of the sperm and the woman's egg has taken place. So the result of that fusion is called the zygote. And this zygote is the very first cell of the individual. So look at it now. Look at the cell here. Now this is the outermost part, which is called the cell membrane. This is what we call the cytoplasm. Now, this is called the nucleus. Now, within this nucleus, this edge is called the nuclear membrane. This is what we call the chromosome. And these chromosomes are the ones responsible for transfer of character from parent to children. So that's why the nucleus is very important in a cell, because the chromosomes are in the nucleus. Now, here is called nucleolus. It's a small part of the nucleus. And then this is called nucleoplasm, a space within the nucleus. So these four constituents, the nuclear membrane, the chromosome, the nucleolus, the nucleoplast, all constitute what we call the nucleus. So this is what a typical animal cell. So please like it, comment, and also follow me. Subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you.